Right now we're looking at the Cypress tests for the forum features. Currently, none of these tests are passing. Generally, the only thing that these tests are doing is looking for a link that describes exactly the functionality that we're trying to accomplish. For example, the first one has a page for a list of posts, looks for a link that says posts. The other options are has a page for specific posts, has comment permalinks, has a page for user profiles, has a page for logging in, has a button for logging out, and has a widget to check session status. I'm not entirely sure if this is going to be the end design, and right now we haven't actually designed these pages. So that would be a good first step, but we can start thinking about how we're going to connect the front end to the back end in the meantime. Also, we can start brainstorming ways to connect the design team with the front-end team. I'm not sure if these are going to be links forever, but they might change to buttons or some other way of interacting with it. All I know is that I want this site to be accessible, so I'm going to think about those interactions before we have an actual design. The features have already been laid out in this README file, so I can get started on these features. Ideally, the design wouldn't stray too far from what I'm kind of expecting, so hopefully there isn't too much work that we're going to have once the design actually comes. The only feature on the site right now is this button, but eventually we are going to want to add something that can navigate between the forum pages or forum sections. We're also going to want to add some sort of method to get to this area.